Hello and welcome to the newly updated LayerFive dashboard. We have brought out a host of new features over the past few months, so we figured that we should give the platform itself a refresh in order to make sure that it is nice and smooth to use and that you're able to find the features and the dashboards that you want quickly and easily. This is going to be an overview, so we're not going to discuss any of the features in detail, but there will be videos forthcoming about those new features that you can look out for on the YouTube channel on our website. So starting off now, you are going to be directed as an e-commerce customer or a B2C customer to this page, Summary Metrics. This is where all of the KPIs that you want to be looking at day in and day out, revenue, orders, AOV, etc., they are all here for you to see nice and clearly in one place. You have an easily changeable date range. You can also compare to different periods of time nice and easily, and there are trend lines down here as well to look at how things are moving over time. So that's that one. After that, we have Attribution Analytics. This is LayerFive attribution. So this is what our tag does. This is all the first-party data that we are able to pull in. So we're telling you where people are coming from and what they're doing on your site in great detail. You have all the different media sources, everything, all the conversions, everything in one table. This is our moat, our mother of all tables, and you can choose all of your different attribution styles, first click, last click, etc., etc. It's all there, just like before, looking at campaign or ad level, and then an overview at the top of the important platforms. Next up, we have Web Analytics. This is all pretty bread and butter stuff for anyone who works in any kind of internet-based business. But bear in mind, this is all first-party data, and you are getting individual level data that you will not be able to get quite so easily from the big names in future as they move to more aggregate level data. So this is what's happening with Google Analytics 4 due to privacy concerns. LayerFive, because you are tracking your own data, your first party data, we're still able to give you that individual level data, and you can get to see the same stuff that you've always known and loved. Location data, device data, all of that is still available on our platform. So you can see here, and then we also have lists that you can click into to check up on all those people. It's all very nice and interactive and user-friendly. After that, we've got Journey Analytics. So here, landing page performance. This is where we start to dive into how your website is performing and how people are reacting to it. So depending on where you're sending people, you can see conversion rates are a little low here compared to up here. And you can start to take action to improve your website. You can also create custom audiences that you can push into various different platforms that you might be using. So Facebook for ads, or Klaviyo, or whatever email provider it is that you are using there. Next up, we have customer analytics. So this is where you start to get to see your customers and their patterns around them. So there's a lot of stuff that's pretty old school. So we have customer numbers, just individuals, customers, phone numbers, etc. that you've collected. But then we also have, for example, new features like the customer cohort analysis that let you look at the performance of each month of your customers over the course of a longer period of time, so 12 months or a year. So you get to see your ROAS and how these customers are performing over time. So you get to see, look, we are really getting some great ROAS over time, as opposed to just one short week-long view. Then, of course, we have all of the other features that we've had before, so popular products, customer growth metrics, and segmentation activation, and then all your settings and everything is at the bottom here. And then there's a few features that you can see are going to be coming through in the future. So we've got forecasts and also our Learning Academy down there. So this has been a whistle-stop tour of the platform. If you have any questions, please reach out to us and let us know, and we look forward to connecting.